Hi guys. Today we are going to have a look at how to loop or a more Pythonic way of looping. Usually we will start with an index. So we would say that I equals 0 and we would declare an empty list to accommodate our new list. So what we're going to do is that we're going to say best list equals to an empty array. And now we say while I is less than length of names. So if length of names, all right. So usually that is how we're going to do it. And when we run this, we get absolutely nothing because we haven't printed our code. So we're going to print it. And then when we run it, all right, we get this. But this is not a Pythonic way of writing our loop. So, a more Pythonic way would be to loop over a content of names rather than using an index variable. So what we're going to do is that we're going to say that for name in names, if the length of our name is less than or equals to 6, then we're going to print name. So that is how to work around the how to optimize our first loop. So that is a more kind of like Pythonic way of recreating the fast loop. Let me comment this. So this is a more Pythonic way of doing it. So let's print this and see what we get. All right, so we get the same thing. All right, but here we have to we have to put it inside of a a list. All right, we have to put the whole thing inside of a list. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create an empty list. So we're going to say best list. Yeah, so we're going to say that if the length of name is less than or equals to 6, we're going to say best list dot append name. And now we're going to print okay. All right, so now that is what we want. So we want to come out of the loop and print our array. All right, so that is a more Pythonic way of creating creating our for loop rather than doing the first one. All right, but the best way to write this is to use a one-liner. That's the best possible way of writing this. So let's try that and see. So we're going to do print So, well, we're going to print name for name in names if a length of name, excuse me, name is less than or equals to 6. All right. So let's go ahead and comment this, see what we get. Sorry, we haven't. Okay, so yeah, of course, yes. All right, so now we see that we've printed our names. So this is a more Pythonic way of creating our loops. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next episode.